How to download songs from Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download songs from Spotify. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device. Once opened, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And now further, open the song that you want to download. Once opened, you will see the download button. Tap on the download button and make sure that you will need a premium account in order to download songs from Spotify. Only then you will be able to download the song, or else the song will not be downloaded. So, if you have the premium account, then your song should have been downloaded by now. So, this is how you can download songs from Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.